I'm confused. Nice. Alright, now we're good. Why won't you go in? Yaboda! Nope. I like that one song super though. I hate that song.
I like Put My Hands Up, play my song.
Oh damn.
After the first day came out, I knew everyone.
Thug Life? Pineapple Express style?
Oh yeah, the same thing.
It's like a no.
Half hour again.
Oh,
maybe
nice
not.
Just do this.
Really homosexual. Oh my!
Like once and I smacked my head on the floor.
Whoa.
Right, this one here.
Yes. That one.
No! Wow. Yeah, I mean, come on.
What's up? Fell asleep watching my quit icon.
I was supposed to draw it. My eyes.
He's so weird though.
All you have is dumbbells. So weird. He goes like this. You gotta remember something. Dreams are not reality. It's just when you're sitting. I don't know what I should do. I don't feel like in regular girls. I don't do like World Series.
Just not work out.
Whole time just don't feel like.
Actually, it is. Oh god.
Boot. My favorite song.
Ow!
It's not my favorite song.
4:45.
Oh, you mean that song where it says that?
You know what your band is?
The who?
Your mom.
Did you?
No,
Sounds like a surfing song.
Ball game.
What?
For some reason.
Axel is actually sublime. So. All right.
It's
alright. Yes.
My pop.
Get your. I didn't say that word.
Set yourself.
Yeah, one part.
How do you set yourself up like that?
You know I did it, it's over and I feel fine.
Oh no. Score!
Wow.
Nothing like the taste of sweet dick wine.
I'm back into the game. Oh, I'm gonna play guns.
Then I covered in this one.
I don't take any prisoners.
Same.
Done. It's starting.
I'm not getting the one. This is the main hand, but not hard. I would not be doing that.
Enough. Oh my god.
What?
How you like set yourself up?
What? I'm not gonna do this. Don't drop the soap.
So one.
That's it. Still makes it.
It's a bucket.
Nice.
That's it. Oh, almost got it. No, we're supposed to be four. It's like. Who's nervous?
It's nervous. That's funny. Hey, Star Trek. Your cat is buried.
I don't care what Germany. We have a beer meeting. You guys can't see it. I tried to look up crossover. Separate ways, worlds apart.
Yeah, you definitely. What? You say you haven't had a do?
Girl, but it'll still be the same version.
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
it's the same version. It's just.
Oh!
If they suck,
Go to YouTube and type in evolution of dance.
no.
That was. I could do
Mr.
that.
Pearson.
Matt?
That's game. Oh boy.
Creep?
I just hit play.
Yeah, nice game.
I guess.
Am I the only one that...
This is unrecorded.
Thanks for selling it out.
First 2 games that you guys played doesn't count.
Oh!
Loser of this game's out. Loser... The choke shot pulls through. Wow.
Counts how many steps you got.
Oh!
Look at my eyes.
Oh. Oh. The first elimination.
I definitely got you back. I swear.
Oh my god, Joe.
What's up? Soccer.
It's so funny.
J-A-L-S. How much
The change of song has a lot of bad words in it.
Like a cholo.
We'll get it after roundabout.
How to take it
do
back.
that. I can do that.
Let's find another song.
Dude, I have literally like 35.
They have for iPhone.
Alright, here's how. Let's play.
No, wait. Points on you though.
That's in my
This tournament is to be continued. To view Part 2 for all YouTube viewers, please click on the corresponding video to your right. Thank you.